Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at your boy. I wanted to drop a quick video. Your boy got the shades on. We working. We get to the money. The reason I wanted to drop this quick video, I wanted to ask a question to my subscribers and to the ethos and to the internet. It's 2025. It's July 2025, going into August. My question for you is, do you think I'm going to hit 100K this year? If you've been following me, you know that my goal, one of my main goals, was to hit 100K in my dividend growth portfolio. I've been after this for many years now. Uh, I've been investing for about 7 years, and the first 2-3 years I was basically investing trial by fire. What you see in front of you is that I did a Google search, and it's plenty of pictures of Road to 100K. I've done plenty of videos of episode 1, 2, 3, even back when my portfolio was at 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, and just wanted to do just a quick portfolio update. I know I typically do a portfolio update in a couple weeks, but I'm excited because I just wanted to talk to you guys as my subscribers and prospective subscribers. Hopefully you like, subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe to my video. If you have any stocks that you like or you recommend me, just let me know as I grow my channel. But this is just a really big milestone, and the Warren Buffett's and Charlie Munger's is really it takes it takes some luck. It takes a lot of discipline to invest $1,000 per month, $1,500 a month, sometimes 2,000, sometimes 850. Making extra money, rather it's through YouTube, DoorDash, your job raises, and so this milestone, as I get close to it, is really important. It means a lot to me. So I'm just curious, will I hit 100K in 2025? Let's go into the details. I'm take off the glasses now. Yeah, I'm back, baby. But as you look at my portfolio, if you've been looking at my portfolio and its progression, excuse me, as its progression, uh, the last month or so, you'll see that at the beginning of the year, my portfolio was at roughly 70,000. Right, I'll be contributing roughly $1,500 per month to my portfolio. When the market dropped in April for the tariffs and then what was it, the independent uh, day, whatever that you call it for Trump, I dumped $3,000. I dropped $3,000 immediately, and then I was also investing a little bit along the way. Also, I used my bonus that I received in March, and I bought stocks. I bought roughly 2,500 worth of stocks in March. The stock market went down. I dumped $3,000 down here, and then in May, the following month, in May, I dropped another 1,500, and then so on. I've been dropping 1,500, and as it's been going up, I've been dropping $1,500 a month or so. It's July 26th now. As of yesterday, my portfolio was up like 1.79%, which put me over currently right now year to date at a 14.79% year return, rate of return, annual return, right? Which is awesome. This is awesome news, right? Because I'm only half of the year. I'm at 14.79%. Imagine if my portfolio was to get in total at the end of the year 25% or 30%, right? Compared to the S&P 500, 9.42%. Another feature of Fidelity that I like to go to is the performance tab. And in the performance tab, it really expands out and it really shows you how well your portfolios are doing. So currently, right now, my portfolio is at $93,595. So again, my question is, cross the fingers, do you guys think I will hit 100K this year. In my comment box below, put yes, no. If not no, put why. If yes, tell me why you think it. I think I might be able to hit it. And that is if I stop contributing money to this portfolio. Do you think my portfolio will grow to 100K by the end of the year, or do you think I should continue contribute 1,500, or is it okay for me to scale back to about $1,000 per month? I'm very interested to know what you guys think about, because I've been thinking about this a lot, because uh, my next strategy is I want to scale back of what I want to of what I put into my portfolio, and I want to put more into my student loans, and I want to just focus on about 3 to 4 years doubling my payment, tripling my payments to my student loans to finally pay off all of my student loans, so I get that monkey off my back, and then I can focus on maybe my house or focus on my solar panels, so that when I get ready to retire, I have less debt that's really just anchoring me down to the United States. The only debt that I really have that's anchoring me here is my house. That's worth my house that I owe 155,000. My student loans, which is roughly 25,000, and my solar panels, which is roughly 15,000. Right, and I'm paying on each of those equally per month, the monthly payment, even add extra. But as I'm getting older, I'm 36. As I get older into my 40s, and close to when I retire about 50, I want to. As you get closer, the older you get, at your age, your compounding dollars is not going to compound as much as if when you were in your 20s, 30s, and maybe your early 40s, right? So for me, as I get closer to 50, I want to shift money that I could be using to compound in my portfolio, because my portfolio would have hit 100K already, still contributing roughly $850 to $950 to my portfolio, but adding more to my mortgage and into my student loans, and to knock that out. That's the plan I'm thinking. I don't know. Thinking out loud. Uh, for me, if you understand me, I I am a strategist. I'm always constantly thinking about strategy. I'm always constantly thinking about money, structure. That's just type of man I am. Just really to get money and to be financially stable, and also thinking about just how I can leave money for my heirs and for my future children. I don't have any children, but when I do, so that they can go to college, or they can go to the trades, or do whatever they want to do. Right? I'm sacrificing now for their future. What you see here, uh, I have a 32.88 year on year annual return. So from January 26th of 2024 up to now, I'm up 32.88% compared to the S&P 500 19.92, which is great. Uh, and then if you do just year to date, I'm up 14.79, and I'm up 25.89% within these 3 months, and within my 1 month, month over month, I'm up 6.92%. So I know you're thinking like, man, Kadir, what are you investing in to get these returns? Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that I follow, man. Andre Jig, it's my one. This one guy, he lives out in Vegas. Jeremy La L, right? I don't know how to say his last name. And he shows you constantly how to value stocks, certain stocks, and investing and compounding. Even the Wall Street Trapper, I follow them, and so what I do is that I invest on a per month basis, whether the market is up or down. I'm constantly reviewing finance. I'm constantly reviewing uh, finance content. I'm reading finance books. I'm always constantly soaking up knowledge. I'm always trying to get better. Rather, I'm trying to figure out. I'm always trying to figure out how can I compound my money. How can I make more money? And stocks that have really helped me along the way. That there's one stock I give a shout out to Jeremy LaFleur, what was his name, in Nevada, Meta. I've doubled down in Meta. Meta is a cash flow machine. No matter how much I don't be rocking with the CEO sometimes, blocking you, blah blah blah. But he know how to make money. So shout out to him. Get money. I'm all in Meta. I'm all in on GE Vernova. I'm all in on Comfort Systems. And of course, I'm all in on Broadcom. When you are investing to whatever you invest to, you need a couple horses, a couple, 200, 500, 1,000% baggers. And from what I see, my Broadcom is up 300% right now. And this, I foresee, if I continue to invest into this could be a 1,000% bagger stock that really can push me to $1 million. I believe me continuing to hold into Meta will get me to $1 million. Comfort Systems, Google, of course, GE Vernova. So that's what it is, honestly. So as I propose the question to you guys again, do you think I will be able to hit 100K by the end of the year if I don't contribute anything else? If not, do you think I should just go with continue investing 1,500, or should I be investing 1,000? Let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. My portfolio is at $93,595. And I am crossing my fingers and hoping that I pray at least I hit this by November, if not by December, because last year around December time, Broadcom had did a lot of great things for me and really was the stock that pushed me over the hump and beating the SP 500 last year. And that last year, I didn't have GE Vernova, I didn't have fixed comfort systems, and I didn't have Meta. So I've completely revamped my portfolio of some high growth stocks that I plan on rocking with, and then there's this one stock that I'm going to invest in. You'll find out that I'm going to be all in as well. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Holla at your boy. Peace.